Hello everyone, in this episode I'm gonna be creating an ATM. So, first I got my PIN numbers 123 and 124. Then we have a checkings account and a savings account. If we go to the first one, we can view the balance, withdraw money, or deposit funds. Let's view the balance. That's going to be 0 at the start. Then we can go back to checking account. We can withdraw, or let's say deposit some money. Let's put 100,000 into that account. Let's go to the checking account and view the balance. We got 100,000 there. Then we can go there again and then withdraw some money. I'm gonna take, let's say, $1,490.90, and we are left with this amount. We also got the savings account. It has the same functions, and then we can also quit the ATM. So yeah, let's go ahead and start creating this one. This is actually a pretty interesting one because we can use this as a, kind of a money simulator, I guess. So if you had 100,000, you could buy this and something else and something else, and then you could check how much you got remaining. Anyways, let's go and start creating this one. Okay, so first I'm gonna be creating a new project. So new project, Java project, and then Java project. Let's click next. The project name is gonna be ATM, and then next and finish. Alright, then let's go to the ATM folder. I'm gonna create a package. This is gonna be called ATM main, let's say. And then we are going to need 3 classes. So first we are going to create the ATM class. So we will select the public static void main, and this is gonna be ATM. Alright, and it will automatically generate this for us. Then we need a new class. This is gonna be option menu, and we need one more class, and this is going to be what was the name? The name was account. Alright, so we got all the classes here right now. Then after this I gotta make sure that we are running this correctly, so let's click run. Alright, there we go. So I suppose this is working. Okay, so let's start with the ATM. So inside of here we have a public static void, and I'm going to be changing or adding oh yeah, by the way, I also got the package ATM main. Anyways, I'm gonna take the option menu and options equals new option menu. There we go. And then options dot get login. Okay. And then we gotta create the method getLogin in option menu. And this is actually all that we are going to have inside of this one. So that's gonna be it for the ATM class. Let's go to the option menu then. And over here we are going to have the package ATM main. Then we also have the, well, we need a few imports. So import java.text.decimal format. Alright. Import java.util.hashmap. Import java.util scanner. Import, actually no, that's all the imports that we're gonna need. Then the public class option menu, this will extend account. Alright, inside I'm gonna say private static final logger equals logger.get logger, then option menu.class.get name, and there we go. Okay. So yeah, we imported the logger. I'm also gonna import the java.util.logging.level. There we go. Alright. And then I'm going to create a method to try to clear the console. Except it did not work, but well, let's create it anyways. So, trying to clear the console after every line failed. So, what I did was public void clear console, then a try statement, and if system.get property and os.name contains Windows, then we will create a new process builder, cmd command prompt, and then a slash c and cls dot inherit io dot start dot wait for. So yeah, that's what I was using. If somebody knows what's wrong with this, please tell me. Anyways, I'm gonna create a catch exception e and system.out.println, we're gonna say error clearing console plus e.get message. Alright, then we can exit this method, and right now I'm gonna create a scanner. So a scanner is a way to accept some user input. So scanner, the name of the scanner is gonna be scanner, and equals, actually scanner, let's say menu input equals new scanner and system.in. Okay, there we go. We also have the scanner right over here imported, so we don't have to worry about that anymore. Then we are going to decimal format, money format equals new decimal format, and we will say in quotes, first there's gonna be a $sign, then 3 hashtags, a comma, 2 hashtags, and 0.00. Okay, there we go. Then hash map, we have an integer and another integer. Data equals new hash map. Alright, there we go. So yeah, the integer class wraps a value of the primitive type int in an object. An object of type integer contains a single field whose type is integer. Okay, let's create a method. Public void get a login. So int x equals 1, and then we will create a do while loop. So do this, try data dot put, and these are gonna be the IDs. Let's say 1 2 3 and 1 2 4. Data dot put 1 2 3 1 2 4. You can put any values here. The first value is the, I remember it's the customer number. The second one is PIN. So yeah, I'm gonna copy this over here as well. Alright. After that, I'm gonna create some system out print line statements and welcome to ATM. Okay, and now let's run this. Okay, there's something wrong with this. Okay, I'm gonna finish the try loop first. So welcome to ATM, then system out print line, enter your customer number, then set customer number. We will take the scanners menu input and the next integer, then clear console like that, and this should clear the console after input, and we are missing a semicolon. Okay, we gotta create a method set customer number, but yep, here we go. Now I'm gonna be creating system out print line. This time we're gonna ask for the enter your PIN number, set PIN number, menu input dot next integer. There we go. Then clear console. Let's at least try to use that. Then I'm gonna go down here and catch exception E, and system out print line is gonna say n invalid characters, only numbers allowed /n plus E. There we go. And x equals 2. Okay. After this, we can go ahead and create some more integers. So int cn equals get customer number, and int pn equals get pin number. Okay. And if data that contains key, cn is the key, and the data that get contains the cn, we will say pn, get pin number. Okay, then get account type. Let's add an else clause and say system out print line wrong customer number or wrong pin number. Okay, there we go. Then I'm gonna say while x equals 1, and then public void get account type. Alright, so wonderful. Right now we got the first part created. Alright, let's see what happens if we run this. Okay, we have a problem over here and over here, so we gotta create some methods. Let's continue then. First, inside of the get account type, I'm gonna say system.out.println select account type you want to access. Okay, system.out.println type 1 checking account whoa, system out println type 2 is going to be a savings account, and then system out println type 3 will be exit. Int selection equals menu input dot next integer, then clear console. So we will once again try to clear the console. After that, I'm gonna create a switch for the selection, and then case 1 will do this, get checking case. Oh yeah, but I also got a break. Actually, let's use some arrows. Case 1 get checking, then case 2 get saving. I'm not actually 100% sure if I'm gonna be needing the break statements here. Usually in switches I do, so that's why I'm assuming that. Case 3 will be system.out.println. Thank you for using the ATM. Bye. And a new line. There we go. And then break, and let's add a default case. So if we don't have any matches, we will say system out print line. Let's say new line, invalid choice, and new line. Okay. After that, I'm gonna go here and then public void get checking. So now we are going to create the method for this. System.out.println checking account system out println type 1 equal is going to be for the view balance. System out println type 2 is gonna be for withdraw money. System out println type 3 is gonna be for deposit funds. And one more, system out print line type 4 is gonna be for exit. All right, there we go. Why is this giving me a problem? Well, okay, the issue actually are the break statements. Okay, it's not giving me a problem anymore. So we do not use break statements here. Okay. And then let's continue with the method. I'm gonna set the integer selection equal to the scanner called menu input dot next integer and clear console. Then another switch for selection case 1. We will do system out print line, and we're gonna say, now this is gonna be a color. It's gonna be a backward slash, a lowercase u, 001 uppercase B, and then a straight bracket and 32M. So checking account balance colon space plus money format dot format get checking balance, and plus another one. This is also going to be a color, so a backward slash u 001 b, a straight bracket and 0 m, and a backward slash and n. All right. So there we go, that's what the line of code looks like. Okay. Then I'm gonna create get account type over here, and then we will go to case 2. We will get checking withdraw input and get account type. Okay, there we go. We gotta create this method. However, for now, this is okay. So next up, we gotta go to here. Case 3 will be get checking deposit input and get account type. Okay, and case number 4, I'm just gonna say system out print line. Thank you, not thank, a thank. There we go. Thank you for using the ATM. Bye. There we go. And then we are gonna have a default case. So default system out print line. We're gonna say a new line, invalid choice, and another new line. There we go, and get checking. Alright. After that, there we go. I'm gonna get down over here, and then I'm gonna create a public void get saving, and inside of here I'm gonna say system out print line savings account. Then type 1 will be for view balance. System out print line. Type 2 will be for withdraw money. Type 3 will be for deposit funds. Type 4 will be for exit. And then we're gonna have a choice colon, and that's gonna be empty. Okay. Then integer selection equals menu input dot next int clear console, and then switch selection once again, and we're gonna create case 1. So system out print line, we're gonna add a backward slash u001b a straight bracket 32m, and then saving account balance plus money format dot format get saving balance plus we are going to need the backward slash u001b, then that one 0m, and a new line. Okay. So yeah, these are going to be a little bit different values, but that's okay. Alright, then we are going to need yet another case. So this is case 1. Then let's create, or actually we will call get account type, and after that we'll create case 2 and system out print line, and we're gonna say no, actually not print line. Instead we're gonna get saving withdraw input. So that's a method we have to create, and get account type. Okay, then we are going to have the case number 3. So case 3, then we're gonna say get saving deposit input and get account type. Okay, and case 4 is going to be saying system out print line, thank you for using the ATM, bye, and a new line. And then we're gonna add a default case. It's going to be this one, system out print line, invalid choice, and some new lines. Then get checking. Okay. And then I'm gonna create another one called public void get saving system out print line savings account. The previous one was saving account, so well, let's go with this. Okay, so just a moment. Okay, so the thing is that we're gonna have 2 of these methods. The first is gonna be get saving 1. Then the next one is gonna be get saving. Okay. We can go ahead and basically copy all of these from here, because the values are gonna be pretty much the same. There we go. Actually, they are going to be exactly the same. Okay, then I'm gonna say integer selection equals menu input dot next int, and then switch selection case 1 system out print line saving account balance colon plus money format dot format get saving balance. Then we are going to be using an ANSI code for the green value. So I'm gonna add a comment. It's gonna be this one, U001 B32M reset is gonna be this one, U001B0M. Okay, so right now we are going to be using inside of this string, we're going to be using the U001B straight bracket 0M and a new line and a semicolon at the end and get account type. Okay, case 2, let's create that. Get saving withdraw input and get account type. That's case number 2. Then case 3, we will get saving deposit input and get account type. And then we have the case number 4, which is going to be the system out print line invalid choice. There we go, and get I'm gonna need some brackets over here. I'm gonna cut this. There we go, and there we go, and get checking. Okay. Then public static logger get logger return logger. All right, and that's gonna be it for the option menu. We got a lot of methods to create in the account. So yeah, this one cannot be ran at all yet. Alright, let's go to account, and then we are gonna go ahead. We're using the package ATM main. Then let's import java.text.decimal format and Java util scanner. Okay, public class account, private integer customer number, private integer pin number, private double checking balance equals 0 and private double saving balance equals 0. So there we go. Then we are going to be creating a scanner. Input equals new scanner system.in and decimal format money format equals new decimal format. And we are gonna use a $sign, 3 hashtags, a comma, 2 hashtags, a 0.00. There we go. Then we are going to create a public void set customer number. We have an integer customer number. And this dot customer number equals customer number. Okay. Then public integer get customer number and then return customer number. Wonderful. So yeah, there we go. We got the customer's number right now. After this, I'm gonna be creating I'm gonna be creating a public void set pin number integer pin number, and then this dot pin number equals pin number. All right, public integer get pin number return pin number. All right, I'm gonna create some spaces. Then public double get checking balance and return checking balance. There we go. Then public double get saving balance and return saving balance. All right, and public void calculate checking withdraw. We have a double and amount, and checking balance equals checking balance minus the amount, whatever it happens to be. All right, after that so yeah, we return the checking balance. After that, we are gonna create a public void calculate saving withdraw. We have a double and an amount once again, and checking balance equals saving balance equals saving balance minus amount. There we go. And by the way, this is gonna be plus the amount as well as this one. So yeah, just a little whoop-de-doo. Anyways, let's create a public void get checking withdraw input system out print line. Then we are gonna use this green color checking account balance plus money format dot format checking balance plus U001B and 0M. Okay, then system out print line amount you want to withdraw from your checking account colon space. All right, double amount equals input dot next double, and then we're gonna say if checking balance minus amount gets below 0, we will calculate checking checking withdraw and take the amount, and then system out print line U001B 32M new checking account balance plus money format checking balance. So we are gonna make the balance a positive number no matter what. Okay, then backslash U001B 0M. Okay, then we're gonna have an else statement. So else system out print line not enough money to withdraw and an exclamation sign. Then let's go ahead and create the public void get saving withdraw input. So we got a few more methods that we gotta create. So system out print line backslash U001B 32M saving account balance colon space plus plus money format and this is gonna be the saving balance, and then plus a back slash U001B 0M. Alright, so we will find out real soon if the green color is working. Let's create another one. System out print line, and then we will say amount you want to withdraw from checking account colon space and double amount equals input dot next double. There we go. Then we are going to make an if statement. So if checking balance minus amount is smaller or equal to 0, we will say calculate checking withdraw and the amount, and then system out print line, and then we're gonna say backslash U001B 32M new checking account balance colon space plus money format checking balance plus a backslash U001B 0M. Okay, and then that's it for this line. We are going to create an else clause system out print line not enough money to withdraw. There we go. After that we will create a new method that's gonna be called get saving withdraw amount. So public void get saving withdraw amount and system out dot println a backslash u001b 32m saving account balance colon plus money format dot format saving balance plus backslash u001b and 0m. Okay, then system out println, then we're gonna say amount you want to withdraw from saving account and double amount equals input dot next double. All right, then after that we will create another if statement. So if saving balance minus amount is smaller or equal to 0, we'll say calculate saving withdraw amount and system out println u001b 32m new saving account balance plus money format dot format saving balance plus u001b and 0m. Okay, then else system out println not enough money to withdraw. All right, and then I'm gonna create one more method, actually two more. Public void get checking deposit input system out println u001b 32m checking account balance plus money format dot format and checking balance plus a backslash, there we go, u001b and 0m. All right, then let's create another one, system out println amount you want to deposit to checking account. Okay, so we will ask for the amount and double amount equals input dot next double. All right, then if checking balance plus amount calculate checking deposit amount and system out println a backslash u001b 32m new checking account balance colon space plus money format dot format, then checking balance plus quotes backslash U001B and 0M. Alright. Then else system out print line no money to deposit. Alright, then one more method I think. Public void get saving deposit input system out print line U001B 32M saving account balance plus money format dot format, and we'll take the saving balance and then U001B 0M. There we go. Another system out print line statement amount you want to deposit to saving account, and also a semicolon over there and a space. Okay, then double amount equals input.next double. Then if checking balance plus amount smaller than 0, calculate saving deposit amount system out print line U001B 32M new saving account balance money format dot format, and this is going to be the saving balance plus U001B0M. There we go. Then let's create else system out print line no money to deposit. And now this should be ready. Unless I have made some big mistakes. Calculate saving deposit double. Let's see, what kind of issues do we have inside of here? So basically we got the get saving, then the get saving one, and get checking, and get login. There's two errors apparently. Option menu tab at 38. Okay, what is wrong with this? Scanner ATM main. let's go to here. So the option menus, options equals new option menu, then options dot get login. Alright. Then line 38 over in this file, there's apparently something that is not correct. So set customer number menu input dot next integer. For real, I can't see anything that's wrong with this for now. We have the catch exception E. Yep. Let's check out the others. Int cn is get customer number, get pin number, if data that contains key, cn and data that get cn equals pn, we will get account type. You know, I'm gonna try to run this. Okay, now it gave me another line. So we have some kind of a problem over here. So let's find the case for this. What if I just delete that? Yeah, that fixed the issue. Let's run. Alright, so there we go, it's now working. Let's say enter your customer number, that is 123, and my pin 124. Okay, select account type you want to access. Checking account, we can view the balance. Right now it's $0. Let me make this a little bit larger. Alright, so we got $0. Then I'm gonna go to savings and we got $0 in there as well. For some reason the saving account balance is not shown as green. Saving account balance. Okay, let's try if that is gonna work. Okay. One, two, three, 1, 2, 4. Savings account, view balance. It's still being shown on gray. So system out, print line. Saving account balance plus money format dot format saving balance. We do have all the same values, so I don't know what's going on, but this is only a color. So yeah. Okay. So checking and saving deposit. We don't have them. Let's see. Can I go ahead and access my checking account, deposit funds? No, I can't. Okay, so a account at the line of 96, 98 over here, 71, 155. Unresolved compilation problem. So the method calc checking deposit double is undefined for the type account. Okay. So if I go to the option menu, .java, and then get account type, okay, so the problem is more in the account. What do we have that over there? Let's remove it. So let's check out that we have here. Calculate checking, withdraw, get saving, withdraw input. I feel like I'm missing something. Get checking, withdraw input, calculate saving, withdraw. Okay, you know, I'm missing two methods over here. So I'm gonna create a public void of calc checking deposit double amount checking balance equals checking balance plus amount. Alright, and then public void calc saving deposit double and amount saving balance equals saving balance plus amount. Then the calculate saving withdraw and calculate checking withdraw, they should be with a minus sign, like that. Alright. Oh man. I'm gonna remove that at least. Calculate checking deposit. I'm going to select all. Ah, we can't even write. All right. Then we have an issue over here. Yeah. So saving balance plus amount. Get checking withdraw input. Okay, a semicolon over there. And now almost all the problems are fixed. Calculate checking deposit. We're going to need the amount inside of here. Okay, and that is fixed. Now this should work. Okay. We don't have any errors right now. I'm gonna say 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 4 to access the program. Then let's go to the checkings account and view the balance. It's at 0. Let's deposit funds. I'm in deposit $100,000. So now the balance is 100K. And I'm gonna do the same for the savings account. Except I'm gonna do 500,000. Okay. Then I'm gonna go to the checkings account. I'm gonna withdraw money. I'm gonna take, let's say we buy an iPhone, or let's say we buy a new computer that is really good. $4,490.90. Alright, this is what we're left with. Let's go to savings account, deposit, and let's say that we are buying a brand new car. $78,380. Oh, but that was actually a deposit. I'm gonna remove that. No, I added that twice. Oh my god. Savings account, withdraw money. Okay, that was an invalid choice. So savings account, view balance, savings account, withdraw money. I'm gonna take 78,350. Savings account, view balance. So checkings account. I'm gonna deposit funds 10,000. Checkings account, withdraw 15,000. Okay, that works. I'm gonna go to the savings account. I'm gonna deposit funds 1.5 million. There we go. Then savings account withdraw money 500,000. Not enough money to withdraw. Well, I should have. So the checkings account balance is that. Let's go to the savings account. Withdraw money 11,909.1. Okay, so we can remove the amount of money from the checking account, but the savings account, there's something glitching out. So the deposit is working just fine, but the withdraw is not. Not enough money to withdraw. Nope. I gotta find the issue from somewhere. So, savings account, and then withdraw. I'm gonna search for withdraw, find, okay, string not found. What about here? String not found. You are kidding me right now. So yeah, the problem is at the check-in account. So let's go to the the get checking withdraw input. Okay. Get checking withdraw input, system out print line, checking account balance. Okay. Amount you want to withdraw from your checking account. Then double amount equals input dot next double. Then if checking balance minus amount, calculate checking withdraw amount, and then system out print line, new checking account balance, money format dot format checking balance. I'm actually not entirely sure what's the problem right now. maybe I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna copy this, paste it over here, and then get not saving but checking withdraw input. Okay, the problem might have been in the input.next double. Alright, then checking balance. Alright, amount you want to withdraw from checking account. If checking balance minus amount is larger or equal to 0, we calculate the checking withdraw, take the amount, and yeah. Okay, I found the problem. Inside of the get savings, we are using a checking balance. This should be a saving balance. Okay, now this should work. Let's run this again. 1 2 3 1 2 4 checking account, deposit 15,000, checking account. I'm gonna withdraw 1,250. That works. I'm gonna go to savings. I'm gonna deposit 1.2 million. Alright. Then savings account, withdraw money. Let's say we're buying that expensive computer, 4490.90. Instead it's saying new checking account balance, new saving account balance. Okay. Okay, I had to write a part of the code again, but let's see if it's working right now. So run. Then I'm gonna zoom in a little bit. 1 2 3 1 2 4 checkings account, deposit $15,000, checkings account, withdraw 4490.31. Okay, that works. Savings account, deposit 1.2 million, and then savings account and withdraw. Let's say we're buying an expensive car, 185,000. Okay, now it is working. Wonderful. So yeah, we got the saving account and the checking account both working. We can deposit and we can also withdraw and view the balance. So yeah, nice. I'm gonna go to the checking account. I'm gonna deposit, let's say 88,734, some random number. So that's the amount of money we have over there right now. let's go there and withdraw. I'm gonna buy a house. That's gonna cost 4,450,000. And that's the only small little change to the amount of money. So yeah. What about if we buy that computer? Well, there's really no change. Okay. Anyways, this is gonna be it for this episode. This was kind of an interesting project. So we basically have a functioning ATM over here inside of Java. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this one. I hope that I'm going to see you in the next episode or some other video on the channel. And yeah, have a wonderful day everybody, and bye bye. And see you later.